The fact that you clicked this video is probably because you are not very good at sketching, and that's okay because people have skill issues. It's nothing new, man. But let's just get started, okay? So I don't wanna waste your time. This is the quality of sketch your sketches will be by the end of this video, just by applying some real quick small tips. I promise it's gonna be like this. I promise. If you don't get quality like this, then yeah, I don't care. Okay, so starting off, the first thing you should get in your mind is that references are important. For this video, we are just gonna be using this image as for our reference for the sake of simplicity, of course. So yeah, when you're starting off, always try to divide your subject into the simplest of its forms. Like what is the simplest form you see over here? By what I can see, yeah, this is the simplest shape that I see over here. Of course, the good tips of sketching is that always try to make big sketch shapes first and then move on to the little small details like the eyes over here. And even for the eyes, which is such a little detail, I would always recommend you get in the basic shapes in first and then proceed to go on to the little details and stuff. And of course, always use measurements. At this point, I don't really need to use measurements, but I still do sometimes. Sometimes, most of the time I don't really use it because I don't need them. But anyhow, let's just get after that. After that phase, what you have to do is, okay, how do I put this? Not chicken scratch. The thing about sketching is that it is okay if it is rough, but when it is chicken scratch, that's not okay. The thing is that if you are drawing something like, wait, let me like give you a little quick example. If you're trying to draw a hand, something like, I don't know, maybe like, okay, this is not turning out like a hand. This is not what I imagined in my head. Okay, deal with it. Well, let me make a better version real quick. Yeah, there we go. Bro, I'm being honest right now. I have to draw this hand just for you. So don't pull out a bitch move and not subscribe after this, okay? You know how tough hands are. And I still didn't get the proportions right. So yeah, sorry for that. But anyhow, what I'm trying to make my point over here is that this is sketch pretty rough. That's okay. But if you are like, let's just take the same hand. Let's try to do chicken scratching. This is what a beginner would do to it. Sorry, I didn't realize it was not in the frame. This is not okay. Why? Because, well, it's taking roughness to another level. That's not good. We just need to control our roughness, not let our roughness control us. Uh, all right. Next steps: chaotic lines. Chaotic lines, if used masterfully, are pretty okay and nice. Like for example, over here, as you can see, these are just really chaotic lines, but it works in the end, like in the context of the whole picture. But I would highly recommend you to not make chaotic lines, but go with a medium speed. So here are the tips: don't make chicken scratching, don't make chaotic lines. Go with a medium speed where you know where you're putting your pencil down. That's hand-eye coordination and just a stuff, just something that deserves a video of its own. All right, where does that lead us to? To the end of this video. Oh, well, you see, sketching is something that you're gonna learn over time. So if you don't get good at it immediately, don't blame yourself. It's gonna be okay. Things are gonna work out. You're gonna get a life. You're gonna get a job. All right, bye. Just subscribe, or else I'm gonna come in. Wait, what did I just say? Or I'm gonna come in. Bruh, nah, nah, nah.